Oh, I have overslept. Oh, um, uh, the stars are out. It's like when. Okay, I found something. Okay, I found a document. And this document says I was last around 5 years ago. That concerns me. Because I could have swore I've only been here for days. But it said I last streamed into the system 5 years ago. I don't understand. I have some people that I've met that are my family. And I'll do anything for them. I want to introduce you to how I met them. I have no idea. Anyway, I hope you enjoy my little brother and my mom. I first ran into them. I wasn't able to think. My brain was scattered. It was in the clouds. And there was something going on. And all I knew is that there was this adorable kid. And I just felt the need I had to take care of him. And this didn't happen though. Like, I couldn't quite figure it out until she touched my head. And that's when I could start thinking. And my thoughts became clear. I knew I had to calm him down. And I did the only thing I could. I sang. I told him a story. Here, why don't you see for yourself? This is for my family. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a demon in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Really tired, but I thought I would tell you a story before I fall asleep. You see, a long time ago, my dad would always take me up into the mountains, and he wanted to spend quality time. And I would always be looking at all the rocks and the trees. Oh, I love trees. And there was this sign on the road that said, Falling Rock. And one day he decided to tell me a story about Chief Falling Rock. And I was like, Chief Falling Rock? What is that? And he said a long time ago, there was a Native American named Falling Rock. And the problem was is he would keep wandering away from the tribe, and they had to set up signs to warn people in the area to be careful. He might be around, and if he is, be very careful, because he might be falling. But anyway, it was such a weird story, but like he really enjoyed telling it. And I honestly think that's one of the only stories he ever told me. He was military. Anyway, I should probably go to sleep. You have a great night. Sweet dreams. Different. I haven't been able to sleep very well tonight. I just kept thinking, why? What's the purpose? Oh no. Something changed. I suppose that I'm just gonna have to deal with this. But I feel different. I'm so tired right now. I have a hard time sleeping. Nico, you're my little Necco wafer. You know that, right? I hope you don't mind my nickname, but anyway, if you run off, that's fine. I'm gonna continue just sitting here in the field, enjoying the sun and the clouds as they go by. If I see you later, hey, I might be able to tell you something. Who knows? I'm just gonna sit here and enjoy it. I think I'm gonna stay here all day. I see you later. Try and make it on Sunset. It should be a beautiful one tonight. Anyway, you have fun playing with your friends.